I think it's a bit snowy, so let's see. Not a complete whiteout there, but close. So we're walking in this direction over to these woods. I mean, if it helps anyone, it's winter. This is the haunted woods. So these are the haunted woods that we talk about. Fucking hell. We're supposed to camp in here. Keep going on. Sponsored by whoa, fucking hell. Pilsner from Aldi. Always sounds like someone's running behind you through these woods. Yeah, and finally it's snowing as well. Okay. All this for the fucking... You can tell this is a clearing. Supposed to be camping up there, but we got fucking lost, didn't we? So we'll keep going. See that rabbit? See that rabbit? Rabbit's just running in front of the path. Did you hear that? I swear to God, did you hear that down there? What the fuck was that? Whoa. Fuck knows, we're going this way. I'm gonna share a right, fuck it, we'll keep going. What we're gonna say is I've got my kayak on my back. I'm supposed to be coming down here to do a kayak snow shoot. Like I said, we're in the middle of a forest here, and I've got to get to. You see that? Right, yeah, fuck this. Let's fucking go. What are these tracks here? I can see them. Fucking swear to God, it sounds like someone's fucking there. Don't matter, it's alright. I think I know where I am now. I'm not jumping over there. But yeah, snow's coming in now. Oh, what the fuck? Fucking boggy as fuck this. Right, hold on. It scared fuck out of me up there. I'm assuming this is one of old Roman roads. I mean, look how muddy it is, it must be. It's out with snow here anyway. Honestly, it was scary. There were fucking something up there. Right, hold on, I'll show you. Right, hold on, I'll show you after. I've got a burger on, full kit. I think this is going to turn into a tab. See, there's something there, look, you see that? Look, you see that? Look. Should we go see it? Fuck this, I'm not pussying about, let's go fucking see it. Yeah, he's not there now, is he? Fuck it. We'll keep walking. Fuck me, all this kit for what? I think worst thing is it's starting to rain now. It was snowing, but it's starting to rain a little bit now. Fuck me, what was that? Ugh. Don't worry, we'll carry on. Oh, wet feet. Right, I'm going to pause it here because this is getting ridiculous. Doesn't look very good, does it? So the plan were, like I said, got me pump with me. Plan were to go down there on my kayak but it's getting a bit blizzard, isn't it? It's getting a bit silly. I think Bergen's looking like it's going. Wow, yeah, face is going. So I think I don't think we're going to do it tonight, but I think it's going to come. Yeah, it's got a bit ridiculous, but we're going to do it. Don't worry, guys. Stay tuned. Like I said, it's complete white out that way. Supposed to go down this hill down here on kayak, but my fucking hands up, you can see they're absolutely freezing. So we're gonna make our way home, I think this way. As you can see, look at that. Oh, fucking hell. Keep going this way. If you can tell, if you look at me, I'm absolutely covered. So just so you know, the camping in the haunted forest didn't go well. See these prints? Look, there's prints here. So yeah, the haunted forest camp, solo camp, didn't go well. Currently bugging out. There were plans to do kayaking down the hill in the snow, but that's not looking likely till tomorrow. So I'm just currently on my way home in this. So anyway, sorry for the disappointment. Hope you like it. See you on the next one. So this is the fucking haunted forest. We're going that way. Got fucking lost. Fuck's sake. You see it on the live streams on Just Rough Walkers. You see fucking batteries going. Fuck me, these forests. This is the haunted forest we're talking about. It stopped snowing now though. Stopped snowing. Fucking hell, you see it on the live stream. Fucking battery's gonna go in it. Fucking hell. Could have sorry for the heavy breathing. Just gotta try and make it. This is the haunted forest we were talking about. The problem is it's been snowed in. Fucking hell. Fuck with that. Oh, fucking hell. I'm already dead anyway if they do get me. Make sure to check Fioboc. Right, I'm gonna cancel it here, fucking hell.